Hi there, today, we're going to talk about the benefits of eating pears. Pears are a fantastic source of vitamin C, fiber, and other important nutrients that can help keep our bodies healthy and strong. So, let's dive in and discover why pears are such an amazing fruit to eat. First off, let's talk about the benefits of eating pears. Pears are packed with fiber, which is essential for helping our bodies function properly. In fact, the USDA recommends that we consume at least 23 grams of fiber each day. By eating pears, we can easily meet that recommendation. Additionally, pear juice has been shown to be effective in reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. This is due to the high levels of potassium found in pears, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. But the benefits of eating pears don't stop there. Pears are also a great source of vitamins A and C, which are powerful antioxidants that can help protect our bodies from harmful free radicals. Free radicals are created when our bodies break down natural substances, and they can contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. By consuming pears, we can help fight off these free radicals and keep our bodies healthy for longer. So, where can we find pears? You can find fresh pears at your local grocery store, farmer's market, or even online. Pears are often sold as a seasonal fruit, so it's important to act fast if you want to get your hands on some. They ripen quickly and can go stale quickly, so it's best to purchase them soon after they appear on the market. Now, let's talk about how and when to grow pears. Pears grow on trees, and they require a certain amount of sunlight, water, and temperature to thrive. If you're growing pears in your backyard, you want to choose a sunny spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. You'd also want to make sure the soil is well draining and has good fertility. Pears require regular watering, but they don't like overwatering, so be careful not to let the soil dry out completely. Finally, let's discuss some tips for how to eat pears. Pears can be eaten fresh, juiced, or used in baking and cooking. If you're planning to eat your pear right away, it's best to cut it into bite-sized pieces or slice it thinly. Pears can also be used in smoothies, jams, and pies. So, the next time you're craving a delicious and nutritious fruit, consider trying out pears. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. That's all for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.